Good morning, Primary 6. Welcome back to Math session. And now, today, we're going to learn about ratio word problems. Previous meetings, you have learned about ratio, what is a ratio, and also comparing ratios. Now is our biggest problem, word problems. So let's check it out. Textbook chapter 3, lesson 3, please open it. And now you're going to have this question. Belinda's salary is 3 per 2 of Cindy's salary. Belinda is 3 per 2 of Cindy. Belinda earns $2,100. How much did they earn all together? So, we know that the ratio of Belinda to Cindy is 3 to 2. How do we know? Belinda is the numerator and Cindy as the denominator. After that, go to draw your model. Belinda has how many bucks? 3, because it is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Do we know how much is that? Yes, Belinda earns 2,100. So put it here. After that, Cindy. Cindy has how many boxes? 2. 1 and 2. After that, the question is there any information about how much Cindy earns? Nope. Only Belinda. And now our question is how much did they earn all together? So that's it. Equals how many? What we gonna do? All together means Belinda plus Cindy. But we do not know Cindy. So that's the thing that we're going to find out first. Step 1. So Belinda, to find Cindy, we must know how much is for 1 unit, right? Because we know that Belinda has 3 units. So 3 units equals 2,100. 1 unit equals 700. That's it. So 1 unit of that is 700. So this is 700. This is 700. Can we know how much Cindy earns? Yes, 1,400. So we all know that that is 1,400. How much altogether? Plus it all together then. So they earned $3,500 all together. It's kind of easy. Go to the chapter of workbook, chapter 3, practice 3, number 1. The amount of money Suri spends is 9 per 4 of the amount of money Linda spends. Amount of money Suri spends, 9 of the amount of money Linda spends, 4. Linda spends $116. How much money does Suri spend? So do we know the ratio of Suri to Linda? Yes. So Suri to Linda is 9 to 4. Draw the model. Suri has how many? Suri has how many boxes? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Do we know how much Suri spends? No, that's the question. So go to Linda now. Linda has how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Miss Telly, how do you know that Linda has 4 boxes? This is the thing. Linda has 4, so 4. Okay. Do we know how much Linda spends? Yes, 116. So the first thing is to find what? To find how much for 1 unit. So what we gonna do? Linda, our information lies on Linda. Linda equals 116. Linda has how many boxes or how many units? 4 units. So 1 unit equal 29. Okay? So I just put here 1 unit. So 1 unit equals 29. After that, Cindy has how many? Cindy has 9 boxes. So 29 times 9 equals 261. So Cindy spends $261. Number 2. Maria and Rizal entered a competition as a team. Rizal's score was 1 per 3 of Maria's score. Rizal's score was 1 per 3 of Maria's score. Maria scored 46 more points than Rizal. How many points did Maria score? Now my question before we go to this is, Did Maria score 46? Did Maria score 46? No. The answer is a no. Why? Because it said Maria scored 46 more than Rizal. Artinya Maria punya skor itu 46 lebih banyak dibandingkan Rizal. So it doesn't mean that Maria's score is 46. It means that Maria scored 46 more than Rizal. So now go to this way. The ratio of Rizal to Maria is 1 to 3. Rizal's score was 1 per 3. So Rizal to Maria is 1 to 3. And then we can draw the model. Rizal has how many boxes? 1 boxes. Maria has how many boxes? 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And then where do we put this 46? More than points, look at. Rizal has 1. Nah, Rizal has 1, right? So this is more points artinya mana? Yang ini, these 2 boxes. So it means that is 46. 2 boxes equals 46. 2 boxes are the more points than Rizal. So now the question is asking you, how many points did Maria score? What we gonna do? Find 1 unit equals how many? So 2 units equals how Maria 2 units equals 46. So 1 unit equals 23. So 1 unit equals 23. Yeah. Nah, this is Maria 2 units. Okay, so 2 units equals 46. 1 unit equals 46 divided by 2 equals 23. Now, how about Maria? Maria has how many boxes? How many units? 3 units. So 23 times 3 equals 69. So Maria scored 69 points. Go to number 3. The length of a rectangle is 6 times as long as its breadth. What fraction of the perimeter of the rectangle is the length of the rectangle? Give your answer in its simplest form. So that's the rectangle. 6 times breadth. Length 6 times. Breadth is breadth. So perimeter, the formula of perimeter is length plus breadth times 2. Don't forget. And do we know that how long is for the length? Yes, 6 times breadth, or we can simplify it as 6b. So 6b plus b, which is breadth, times 2. 7b times 2 equals 14b. So we know the perimeter is 14b. The question is asking you, fraction of the perimeter of the rectangle is the length of rectangle. Means that length per perimeter. So what is the length? 6 per 14. 6 per 14 equals 3 per 7. So the simplest form is 3 per 7. The length of a rectangle is 6 times. Same question, but point B, find the ratio of the length of the rectangle to its breadth to its perimeter. So we know that the length is 6b, breadth is b, perimeter is 14b, and then you are asked the ratio of length to breadth to perimeter. Just write it down. 6 to 1 to 14. Kinda easy. Go to C. The perimeter of the rectangle is 336. Find the length of the rectangle. So we know that the perimeter is 336. We know that perimeter is 14b. Right? Jadi di sini kita nggak perlu lagi tulis formulanya because we know that perimeter is 14b. 14b is 336. 1b equals 336 divided by 14 equals 24. Now the question asking you the length. 6b. So 6 times 24 equals 144. The length of the rectangle is 144 centimeter. It is quite easy, but do not be worried. If you have any question, you may ask me through a DM at Modo or leave your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to practice your logic and ratio thinking by doing verbal chapter 3, practice 3, number 4 until 5 will be discussed on Zoom 2 September. Do not forget. That's all for today, Primary 6. I wish you have a good, fun learning and thank you.